Good morning and welcome to the Cubs Morning News. It is Make a Difference Monday. For lunch today, we will be having chicken nuggets with a roll and chicken quesadilla.
Some students come in already academically disadvantaged because their basic letters and sounds is not a priority. Them surviving is a priority.
Our teachers are very accustomed to meeting basic needs at the same time that they're fulfilling those academic needs. That's what teachers do. They lead with their hearts.
As a parent, you want the best for your children. I've got 3 kids that are in the school district here. Unfortunately, some students don't have the supplies. They don't start the school year with a fresh box of crayons, markers, pencils, pens, whatever is required of them, and it falls on the teacher's shoulders.
In these high-needs schools, on average, teachers are spending $860 out of their own pocket each year to equip their classroom and their students. Partnering with Subaru of America really has helped us extend our impact and support. They're a company that's incredibly committed to community giving and supporting the communities where they do business.
Subaru and our retailers across the country partner with adoptaclassroom.org to support students and teachers by adopting classrooms at high-needs schools through Subaru Loves Learning. We provide $500 in funding per classroom so teachers can purchase supplies and resources for their students. Many Subaru retailers also give kits full of school supplies students need most. It's all part of our commitment to improving the lives in the communities where we live and work. We call it the Subaru Love Promise, and we're proud to be the largest corporate supporter of adoptaclassroom.org.
There's definitely like a feeling of excitement as we knocked on the door and went in the classrooms. We were going to get a chance to make a difference, not only in the students' lives, but in the teachers' life as well.
We have some people we want you to meet.
We're so excited to be out here for Subaru Loves Learning. And we've decided to adopt this classroom right here. We're giving $500 to use at adoptaclassroom.org that you can spend on whatever you need for your classroom and for your kids. We've brought this awesome Subaru Loves Learning kit. Inside that kit, you're gonna find all sorts of things that you need for your classroom. Subaru is adopting not just a few classrooms, but every K through 5 classroom in your school.
It really created a connection that sometimes you feel as educators you're kind of alone. We're the ones that have to raise the scores. We're the ones that have to make sure the families are okay, but it felt like we have somebody out there who sees us and who says, hey, we're here to help.
I asked my students how they felt about what happened Friday. Probably the quietest girl that didn't speak to anyone. She said, I felt so special. She didn't have all of her school supplies. And that was a big deal. It was a really big deal.
It makes me a little sad. There's certain ones that they touch your heart, and we don't want them to not have the same experiences, because it's not their fault.
I would tell Subaru of America, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You really are making a huge impact on teachers and their students. Those students are going to be led to make impacts on the world. That act will definitely ripple into a lot more acts of kindness because they got to see it modeled in such a huge way.
Well, the Subaru Love Promise is unlike anything I've ever seen in the automotive business. Asking retailers to be more than a car dealer and to be part of the fabric of the community. This is something that we all need to be doing. If you're put in a position to be able to help, it's your obligation to do that.